This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network and account because the App Store needs both to list and download apps. First, make sure the TV is on and connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. A wired link reduces dropouts. Next, open Settings and sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have one, create it now. This enables purchases and personalized app recommendations. Once done, grab the remote and press the Home button to reveal the Smart Hub and move to the Apps area. You'll now open the Apps section to reach the store interface. This is where downloads and updates happen. From Home, choose Apps or Smart Hub and wait for the catalog to load. Slower models take a few seconds. If you're asked to accept terms or sign in again, do it, because an authenticated session unlocks region-specific apps and purchases. Then use Search to type an app name or browse categories. This helps you locate the exact app quickly and view ratings, permissions, and storage needs. You finish by selecting the app and pressing Install or Buy. Payment follows if it's a paid app. After installation, return to Home Apps My Apps to launch or organize it. If the install fails, reboot the TV and make sure you have enough storage, check Support Device Care, and clear unused apps. Also, make sure the TV firmware is current via Settings Support Software Update. Updating often resolves compatibility and store access problems, so try that before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.